Precision coils for liquid-filled gyroscopes are ultra-challenging special coils in the industry, which cannot be mass-produced up to standard by conventional winding equipment. REPOSAL precision winding machines are specially optimized for this product. Micron-level closed loop wire routing ensures zero-turn misalignment and uniform tightness of all layers. The adaptive constant tension system keeps the enameled wires free of stretching and protects the insulating film from damage. Precise turn count control enables tight tolerance and consistent electrical parameters across batches, complying with stringent military and navigation grade standards. Combining high-precision servo wire routing and constant tension control, our machines deliver intact, wired, and highly uniform finished coils, resolving the bottlenecks in winding ultra precision special coils. High-quality winding equipment forms the core competitiveness for mass production of high-end special coils. Custom machine models are available. Please contact REPOSAL for any inquiries.